Good morning!
1, 2, 3. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky.
Let's eat breakfast. Ingay ng aso ko. Just bear with me.
It's just another.
Hey subscribers! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is July 24, Friday, 9:16 in the morning. So good morning everybody! As you can see, nakaligo na ako, naka-makeup, and tapos na din ako mag-breakfast. So I don't know why, but it feels so energetic and productive today. Kahit wala pa akong ginagawa, and even though I slept late last night, God. Thank you, Lord, for this energy. I don't know, I just feel so blessed. Wow. It's been a long time since my last A Day in My Life vlog, but yeah, basically that's what I'll be doing today. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys life updates. I'll be also answering some of your questions from Instagram kasi nag-post ako ng ask me a question. Can be about anything, can be about TikTok, like about school, college, or like my new business. I have two businesses right now. My first business is related to food, while the other one is hindi pa siya nagla-launch, but I'm really excited to share it to you guys soon. Pero siguro on this vlog, I'll be like sharing siguro small details. Ayan, ganun. Because this is the reason why I always sleep late. Siguro mga ilang weeks na din ang nakalipas. Yeah, I'm looking at the calendar right now. And naniniwala ako na kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. So right now, I'm in our living room kasi maganda yung lighting ngayon. But I'll go back to my room na kasi meron pa akong gagawin doon. I'm actually expecting a package today, pero pagtingin ko ulit sa app, yung estimated day of arrival niya is July 25 pa pala and not July 24. So probably bukas pa siya dadating. Hey y'all, so I'm back here in my room na, and I just want to share this new furniture that I got last week from Handyman kasi nag-sale sila ng 50%, so from 3,000 pesos, 1,500 na lang. Anyway, so I'm supposed to get this online sa Lazada or sa Shopee kasi merong ganito, pero out of stock sila. Wala sila ng 10 drawers talaga, kagaya nito. And yung meron lang sa kanila is yung 6 drawers, or meron sila nung 10 drawers pero yung rainbow type, and I don't like the rainbow type. I like this, yung parang white and transparent-ish, yeah, kind of thing, because it looks classy and bougie, rigid, sassy, moody, nasty. Just kidding. So yeah, I bought this kasi I need it for my new business. Like paglalagyan ng aking mga new products or something like that. I'm so excited. Ah! So wait, I'll show you guys na lang. So ito yung close-up niya. As you can see, meron pa siyang plastic kasi hindi ko pa natatanggal. And excuse my vitamins. Iniinom ko kasi ito every night before I sleep, kaya siya nandito sa room ko. Tapos meron ako tubig sa side ng kama ko. And wait lang, before I share to you guys what's inside my drawers, I just want to share this to you guys because this is really good. This is the multivitamins and iron stress tabs. So, pang-apat na box ko na to. So, I decided to get the bottle one. I take this every night before I sleep because it helps fight the aging effects on your skin. I'm sorry about that. Kasi diba nga, 24/7 ako nasa gadgets ko. And I don't know why, pero pag nasa province talaga, even if I sleep late, maaga ako nagigising. Like, for example, I slept last night 1 AM. Tapos, nagising ako today ng mga 6 AM. Ewan ko, pero siguro nasasanay na yung body clock ko na ganun. Which is, I know, it's not good. And not only does not getting enough of sleep negatively affect your body, but it can also affect the moisture levels in your skin, which makes your skin look less of a glow and looks less youthful. What's also nice about stress tabs is that it has 500 milligrams of vitamin C to help boost your immunity. And we all know naman siguro na vitamins and iron are important building blocks of our body and helps keep us in good health. Take 1 tablet per day lang guys ha. Huwag tayong mag-overdose kasi masama yung sobra. Dapat tama lang, sakto lang. Swak lang. Let's start my drawer tour na. Wow, drawer tour. So, first drawer, hindi pa masyadong marami yung nakalagay dito since bago pa lang to. And ayoko ilagay yung mga old stuff ko dito. Dapat yung mga bago lang. So, first drawer, nandito yung 4UFO LED Thermo Activated Smart Mask ko. I unboxed this on my YouTube account. So, if you guys want to see that, then link down below. Tapos, ito yung Make My Day at saka Glow Addict na masks. Second naman, nandito lahat ng Color Red Cosmetics tints ko. Color tints. More of like brownish, orangey shade. I also have here my Lanbena facial serums. Tapos here, I have all my lip gloss bottles. It looks like this. Tapos on the fourth drawer, meron tayo mga serum bottles. It looks like this. Next is, we have paper boxes for my first business, which is the food-related business. Tapos here, we have all the paper stuff for the thank you cards. And then, sticker papers, more paper. And next, oh, I have here all of my vitamin oil and castor oil and everything like that. Tapos ito, wala nang laman. So yeah, that's it for my quick drawer tour. Also, I'm vlogging using my phone kasi I discovered na sira na pala yung battery ng camera ko and I need a new one. By the way, right now, I'll be making a TikTok video kasi may nag-email sa akin na artist. Siya yung gumawa ng kantang All About That Cake. So, pinapasayaw niya sa akin ulit yung All About That Cake. And deadline is today, so I have to do that. Time check, it's now 2:34 PM and kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng vlog. So, right now, I'll be answering some of your questions sa Instagram. Ang ingay. So, I'll answer as many questions as I can before ako malobat. So, first is, ano po course nyo? Marketing Management yung course ko. Second year college na po ako this coming August. Next question, do you earn from your vlogs? Well, yes, I earn from my vlogs, but not that much since I'm just a small-time YouTuber. And hindi naman ganun kalaki yung rates or yung revenue ng Pinas compared sa ibang bansa. But I earn through collaborations with brands or like sponsorships, something like that. Next question is thoughts about academic freeze. I'm sorry about my dogs. They're really like that, especially if there's a stranger outside our house. Well, I'm not against academic freeze. It's totally fine with me because of course we have to consider some people who doesn't have an access to the internet in their place or province. We also have to think about people who likes to continue to go to school because they want to finish early. Kasi kino-consume na nga ng K-12 yung, yung mga panahon or yung 2 years natin. Tapos this pa, so I can't really blame them too. And I also want equal opportunities for all those students and make us focus on doing what's best for our health. Period. So next question, gaano karami yung water sa apple cider vinegar and lemon na iniinom mo sa morning? So this is about the detox drink. And what I do is hot water, tapos 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, tapos lemon juice, like yung squeeze lang, and then 1 tablespoon of honey. Or it depends on the level of sweetness that you like. About Skypify, what are the products that you are selling? Is it affordable? Business background, Skypify stands for what products do you offer sa Skypify? Wow, tell us more about it. When are you guys launching? To all of you who do not know yet, I'm launching my own cosmetic brand real soon. It's called Skypify. So if you guys want to know more about it, stay tuned and follow our Instagram account at Skypify. So yeah, that's it for now. Don't worry, I'll be making a separate Q&A for that soon. And for those who asked already, I'll make sure to save all of your questions. #support small businesses. Well, regarding the price, it's reasonable price for quality products. So, Okay, so this is the last question now from Bella. What has been the best thing that happened for you this year despite all the sad events? Okay, so despite everything that happened this year, from Taal volcano eruption, ABS-CBN shutdown, the fight for Black Lives Matter, global pandemic, which is the COVID-19, Kobe Bryant, Naya Rivera, and etc. I think the best thing that happened for me this year is that I was able to take care of myself more. I valued myself more, which is good. I was also able to open an online food business here, which turned out to be great. Well, unexpectedly great. And now I'm so happy that we are going to be opening another business. Opening my own brand was really part of my bucket list ever since. And I wasn't expecting that it will happen this year. If you've been watching my vlog till the end, my line or my motto is always, don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. If you really want it, or if you're really determined and passionate about it, you can attract the positive energy and everything else will follow. We invested a lot on this, like our time, our effort, money, and so much more. So hopefully this will not flop. Thank you, Lord. And yeah, that's it for the Q&A. So, mag-shoutout muna ako from my previous vlog, which is the tongue prank vlog. If you guys haven't watched that yet, you can watch it here or here. Basta sa I button, click the I button na lang, or link down below. Okay, shout out kay Josh Noceda, Player Sergeant Lebron, and shout out to the shop, thegreatfinds.ph. It's an online thrift shop on Instagram that offers vintage, streetwear, and designer clothing. So make sure you check them out, and also follow Gimbapaholic and Skypify on Instagram as well. Those are two of my businesses. So I hope you guys support local and support small businesses. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know on what other videos you like me to make in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.